front of me is HUWAEI Matepad 10.4 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can operate split screen view on this device. Firstly, select one of your apps, for example Files, and open it. Now click on the square button and tap on the top right corner of your app. Following that, select the other one, for example Browser. Now you need to hold this app over here and drag it to this black area or this one. When you're ready, just let go. As you can see, now I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, you can do that by dragging one of your apps to the side and clicking home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!